Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD cursor lagging and moving jerky using the easy method. This is a great way to smooth out your mouse movement on your setup session so your digital drawing brush stops skipping and freezing while you work. Step 1. Turn off the Snap to Grid setting. The first step is to check the tiny toggle buttons at the very bottom of your screen and turn off the invisible magnetic grid that is catching your mouse pointer. Look at the bottom right corner of your software window, locate the small icon that looks like a grid with dots, or press the F9 key on your keyboard to turn the feature off. Watch the status line at the bottom of your screen to make sure the grid button changes from blue to gray, meaning it is fully asleep. Because when this snap feature is left on, it forces your mouse pointer to jump strictly from dot to dot on an invisible map instead of moving freely. You have to turn off this magnetic lock so your pointer can slide around smoothly. Without this step, your cursor will continue to move in a jerky, robotic way no matter how fast your computer is running. Step 2. Disable the selection preview lines. Next, you need to open your deep application options and turn off the feature that constantly lights up every single line your mouse happens to pass over. Type the word Options into the bottom typing bar, press the Enter key, click on the tab marked Selection at the top of the new box, and find the section for previewing items. Uncheck the small boxes next to the lines that say when a command is active and when no command is active, then hit the Apply button. Because when you move your mouse across a crowded blueprint, the software works overtime trying to highlight every single object you touch. By turning off this constant automatic scanning feature, you stop the app from pausing to think every split second. It ensures your mouse moves freely without lagging behind your hand. Step 3. Turn off the dynamic input text box. Now, you need to turn off the floating text box that follows your mouse arrow around and displays numbers right next to your pointer tip. Look at the row of toggle buttons at the bottom of your screen again, find the icon that looks like a small plus sign with a box, or press the F12 key on your keyboard to turn it off. Verify that the floating number boxes disappear from your screen view when you move your mouse pointer around the workspace canvas. Because updating those moving number boxes on your screen uses up a lot of active system power every time you move your wrist. By turning off this floating text tool, you remove the extra baggage attached to your arrow. It is the key step to getting the right output because it instantly stops the sluggish, heavy feel of your mouse pointer. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD cursor lagging and moving jerky, you must first turn off the Snap to Grid setting by pressing F9 to let your arrow slide freely. Then you open your options and disable the selection preview highlights so the system stops scanning lines. Next, you turn off the dynamic input box by pressing F12 to drop the floating text boxes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.